Hello everyone! I'm back with another makeover video. I transformed this kit with a yellow colour palette. Yellow is such a joyful colour and it brightens any room. The modifications were made with my Cricut Maker, but you can follow along without one. I started by measuring all the pieces from the original kit I wanted to modify. Then I scanned pages from the kit so I could plan and redesign the room. I cropped all the pieces I wanted to modify and put them into a PowerPoint presentation. It's always easier to put each individual item on its own blank page for this purpose. With the decorative boxes, after pasting them into PowerPoint, I changed the color scheme by clicking Format, Color, and then changed it to yellow. Then I darkened the yellow shade under the Corrections tab. For the flooring, I found this dark wood floor from Google Image Search, and I pasted it over the scanned crop in PowerPoint to get the right size and dimensions. For the artwork, I did a similar thing, finding my preferred art on Google Images in a yellow shade and copying them over to PowerPoint to resize. Once everything was modified, I saved the slides as a PNG. You can do this in bulk by clicking Export All Slides, which will save each slide on its own PNG image file. Then I headed over to Cricut Design Space, click Upload, and locate the folder that contains all of my PNG images. Click Complex, and then we're going to click the magic wand tool to remove the background. This is an important step so that Cricut can cut these items out. Once all of your images are uploaded, we can click on multiple uploads like so, and then click Insert Image to upload them onto one canvas. Remember that Design Space doesn't usually bring the images over with the correct dimensions, so you will need to resize them using the measurements we took earlier. For the pineapple artwork, I created a glass frame for the image to sit in. If you'd like to see a tutorial for this, check out the video I've placed above. Once everything is resized, we click Make It. I cut out the wallpaper from this yellow textured cardstock. The pineapple frames were cut from gold cardstock with some plastic sheets for the glass area. Then I printed all of the print and cut images. The Cricut places a black box around these items so it knows exactly where to make the cut. And for some of these boxes, the cuts are very intricate. And here are all the modified items. The wardrobe in this kit had been painted blue, so I painted a white base coat and then a coat of yellow paint after that. I put some plastic clear film on the doors to imitate glass, and then assembled the wardrobe. Some gift boxes and books for inside the wardrobe. Now for the windows. The kit had this white see-through fabric, which I changed to this cute yellow polka dot fabric. I sized the curtains based on the window frame, and I used a concertina fold. This is where you just fold it back and forth. Then I created a box valance for the curtains. I cut out the cardboard into a box shape like so. And then I glued the polka dot fabric to the cardboard and cut it out. The valance will sit at the top of the window, and I place the curtain pieces underneath. I then tied them with a white bow. I assembled the pineapple artwork frames by gluing pieces of cardstock I'd cut from the Cricut earlier. This kit came with a teacup and saucer set, so to jazz it up a bit, I made a tropical drink instead with yellow felt inside the glass to imitate a yellow smoothie, and a slice of lemon on the side. And here it is on the coffee table. Next, I used the lampshade template that came in the original kit. But instead of using the kit fabric, I used the same polka dot yellow fabric. One of the lampshades I used for the desk lamp. I glued 2 silver square beads together for the frame of the lamp. And place the lampshade on top. Then I assembled the desk. Every desk needs a chair. The original kit had this blue floral fabric, which I changed to this gold fabric. Did you know you can often order free fabric samples from furniture stores? They don't send much fabric, but it's enough for mini projects like this one. Now for the piano. The original piano had a lot of lace and fabric attached, so I simplified the design here. So this was the original wallpaper, which I replaced with a yellow textured cardstock. This was the original flooring, and this is my flooring. It came out so well. Here I'm using the second lampshade I made earlier. This was the original rug, which I swapped for this dark yellow velvet fabric. And there you have it, guys, a bright, joyful, yellow-themed piano room. Thanks for supporting my channel. I hope you'll consider subscribing.